You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Whoa. I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me.
Good morning, guys. So we're getting ready. We're going to Grandma and Grandpa's house. I've got to go through some stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. They're moving in a little bit, a few months or so. And so I have to go through all my boxes of stuff from when I was a kid. Can't wait to see what that is, but it'll definitely take you long because there's probably some really interesting stuff in there. So that's what we're doing. Huh, Lou, you ready to go to Grandma and Grandpa's house? Say good morning.
There you go.
Oh, you stinker. Lou's got a little bit of a icky tummy, but not, I don't think it's anything like contagious or anything. I don't know. So, and Audrey's getting ready. Are you ready, Audrey? Audrey! Look, Audrey's ready.
I was putting my spray on.
Oh, okay. Ready? Gonna come downstairs now?
I'm putting my sparkly spray on.
Let's turn you this up. Oh, I got that one too for Louisa's room.
How'd she need a headband?
Well, your headband's up down here. Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. Good job dressing yourself. Very pretty. Ah, she's getting good at it, so yay for that. Must be a girl thing, because Nicholas is still not great at it, so yeah. Anyway, you gonna put a headband on? Okay. Oh, she's got it. Ah, it's beautiful. Good job.
It's not like twisted.
No, it's fine.
I can't.
Can you see yourself? There you go. Beautiful.
Can I see? Wow, look beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like a mirror.
It's like a mirror. Yeah, you can see yourself. Okay. Let's go to Grandma and Grandpa's house.
Look at my bow. Look at my bow. Look at my bow.
Those are flowers.
Look, watch my bow dance. Watch my bug dance.
Okay. You're crazy. Go get your shoes on. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, it's post-lunch. It's actually almost quiet time. It actually is quiet time. But I want to show you, it is a beautiful day outside. I mean, beautiful. It is super bright. You see how bright it is? But can you hear that noise? I don't know if you can hear it. You want to come out, Audrey? Okay. Just be careful over here. Can you hear that noise? Be super quiet, Audrey. Do you hear that?
What is that?
I think it's birds. I think there's actually one under here.
We can make the squirrel when we go here.
Yeah, but look. We usually have to be really quiet. But we usually have birds living here. You hear them?
Yeah. Oh, there they are.
Where?
Look up there. Those are all the woods.
Where?
See, right there.
Oh my gosh. Can we see them with the camera?
Probably I'm in the way. No.
They're
Right.
really far. Yeah, up there. I don't know if we can see them.
It's right down. Oh, look at all those, like, it's 130.
Yeah. There they are. See them migrating? They're migrating.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
Look at all those. One probably will.
I wonder if they're geese. They must be geese flying really high.
They might land on my finger.
Can we see them?
They might land on my finger.
See if we can see them. Do you see them, Audrey?
Yeah. close one eye.
I know. You're way out.
And
I don't know. It's hard to see. They're super far away. But they're really loud. Are they still going over top of us?
oh, there's an airplane.
Where?
That's an airplane.
Oh, there's an airplane. Yeah. Where's the airplane?
Yeah, but
There's the airplane.
that's an airplane. You can see it like that.
Yeah. Well, that's because O'Hare's right over our house. Goes right.
Wow.
There's another airplane. Yeah. That was crazy. Look at all the geese. See if we can see them. Where are they? Where do they go? They're way up high.
Right there. See, there's an airplane.
Oh, it's crazy.
There's an
It's like
airplane way
thousands.
up high.
Yeah, I know. We see airplanes all the time, but we don't. I mean, we see geese all the time too, but we don't always see them. A birdie went under here.
Yeah, a birdie.
We usually do have a bird nest under here. Let's see.
Go really slow.
Oh yeah, see the bird nest?
Yeah.
See if we can see if there's a birdie in there. Okay. I don't know if there's a birdie.
Yeah, no shoes on. Oh, my feet are cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Whoa,
The bird nest is up there, but it's hard to find. Oh, there's one up there. Look at that bird nest.
Can I see?
See it up there? Look, up on that post.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, I don't think there's a birdie in it though.
Probably a little baby one.
Well, we usually get one there. What did you think of all those geese?
Awesome.
Were they awesome?
Yeah.
They were cool, right? There were like thousands of them flying
I
over our
can
house.
see them.
You can still see them?
Yeah, see? Right there.
Oh, yeah. They just must be migrating south or north now because winter's... Hope that means that there is no more snow or super cold weather. Yes! Spring is coming. And I think Louise is still in the house. Anyway. That was fun, right, Audrey?
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. So it turns out I didn't end... I think it was Friday's vlog. I don't know. Anyways, it turns out that those birds were not geese. They were a form of cranes who were migrating back from Florida up to, I believe, Canada? I don't know. Anyway, apparently they also live here during the summer months, or the warm months. So, just so you know, so they're not geese. They're cranes, which is why they sounded the way they did, which I thought it was so strange because they didn't sound like geese, but they have the same formation as geese, and from far away they look like geese. So, anyway, but I'm going to end that vlog. So, as always, make sure you click thumbs up if you like the video, hit subscribe. We put out videos all the time, and we will see you next time. Bye.
You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Whoa, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me.